Step 12. How to change job status. Now let's move to the Jobs dashboard. Here you'll find all of your active jobs in one place. From here, you can view the job number, address, order number, and product. As your job progresses, you can quickly update the job status. For example, you can change it from ordered to ready for install, then to install booked, or any other status that matches your workflow. These job statuses are fully customizable. To manage them, simply go to cPanel, Open Feeds, and select Job Status. From there, you can create new statuses, edit existing ones, and rearrange them in the order that best suits your business. The same applies to, quote, statuses. Simply open quote status under Feeds, where you can create, edit, and rearrange your quote statuses to match your workflow.